Hey, what's going on, traders? It's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. Yes, all up in my YouTube, all up in your screens. It's time once again for my hot pick of the day. But before we get into that, don't forget, help me out by smashing those buttons for me. That's right, all you gotta do, like the video. If you don't like it, let me know why in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell notification. Anytime I put up some new content, some new videos, you'll be the first one to be there with me. It's all good. All right, let's get into it. Time for my hot pick of the day. Today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker SFIX. That's Sfix. Well, it had its earnings after hours just a little while ago, and Sfix shares rose 6% in the after hours as the online personal styling service reported first quarter results that exceeded analysts' estimates. That's right, Sfix reported a loss of just $178,000 or 0 cents a share. Woo, 0 cents. That sounds big. Compared with a net income of $10.7 million or 10 cents in the year ago period. Revenue grew 21% to $444.8 million from $366.2 million a year ago. Analysts surveyed by FactSet had expected a loss of 6 cents a share on the revenue of $441.1 million. Sfix shares are up 46.4% this year, and the S&P 500 index has gained 25.1%, so it is ahead of the S&P. Separately, Sfix said Elizabeth Spaulding, global head and founder of Bain & Company's digital practice, will join as president. She will report to Chief Executive Katrina Lake effective January 27th. So some good news on Sfix. Great earnings report and great outlook, but as always, we got to go to the charts because that's how we trade, us technical traders, and see what's exactly going on with the ticker SFIX. That's Sfix, my hot pick of. Now you can see Sfix was on a decline from way back here in July all the way down to August, and it kind of based here at this 1798 level and has been kind of trending its way back up. As you can see, I'm a big Fibonacci trader, so I took this high of 32.34, took it down to this low swing 1798, and the 50% is right here at this 25.16, which it was flirting with today. Also broke over this 200 SMA, so above all the moving average, the 50, the 20, the 9, and now the 200, and above this 50% retracement if it can hold over this 25.16. But with the pop after hours, you can see it broke over this 200 SMA at 24.80 and tested this 27.88 high, which it is retesting right now as we are making this video live. You can see it moving and testing this double top at 27.88. So definitely on the bullish trend. What we want to look for tomorrow is definitely a hold of this 25.16 50% retracement, which it is well above right now, but we have to see how it's going to look tomorrow. And also right now testing this 27.88. Let's look back at the 4-hour 180. This 27.88 you can see was a support here back in April and became a resistance in here in late April and May. It broke above and then held its support in June, pushed up and held its support in July, and then became a resistance in mid-July, and that's when it just took its march on its way down all the way to these lows, and now it's trying to push back up. So this 27.88 is also a big retracement to pass, so we're gonna watch that tomorrow in the pre-market. Right now it's testing it and actually broke over it as we speak, so we'll see if this 27.88 resistance becomes a support tomorrow morning, or will we test back this 25.94, which is the intraday 50%, but also this 25.16, which is the daily 50% retracement. So our pullbacks levels will be the 200 SMA, which is about 24.80, or this 25.16, which is the daily 50% retracement. On the intraday, we might look for a pullback to this 26.96 or 25.94 to hold and continue up and test these highs, but we'll see how it look tomorrow morning. And maybe this 27.88 may even become a support if it can break over and hold, but these are just after hours, so not a lot of volume. We're gonna see how many people want to get involved with it tomorrow with all the news of the earnings. But take note of those levels and those zones I mentioned in this video. If not, you can rewind it and check it out. Also remember, the ATR is $1, but when you come to earnings, this could go 2-3 times, maybe even 4 times the earnings, so we want to watch for that. And definitely on a bullish note, like I said, above all the moving average and above this 50%, we could see a move maybe up to even this 29, 27. We'll just have to wait and see. But that's my tech analysis on it's at 28 now. My hot pick of the day, ticker SFIX. That's Sfix. All right, there you go. There you have it. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker SFIX. That is Stitch Fix. Now, it takes a lot of time and effort to get these videos together, but like I said, I do it every day for you guys because I want you to grow and grow with me as we become better traders. But all I ask in return of you guys, just 3 clicks of the mouse. That's right. Click number 1, like the video. If not, comment, let me know why. Click number 2, subscribe. And click number 3, hit the bell notification. Anytime I put up some new videos, some new content, or go live, you'll be right there with me. All right, it's time for me to pop on out of here. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, signing out, reminding you to plan your trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time, aloha.